Can you share some examples, going back to the CF industry examples of technologies that you were able to invest in as a result of that freed up people, time, money? You mentioned Concur, you mentioned success factors. Can you share what solutions you added on or bolted around your SAP ECC system since you moved to third-party support, or even perhaps having purchased other technologies from SAP themselves?
Absolutely. So we had our core ECC system. We had many transportation systems. We were now able to invest and expand the functionality of those transportation systems, which we hadn't been able to do before because we were so focused on just maintaining our current environment. We now could reinvest in the way those transportation systems worked, adding more functionality. As an example, we also made an investment in our cybersecurity, and we're able to now move to a software-defined wide area network, which provided us with a tremendous amount of resiliency in our network and helped make it so that we could move data back from the plants to help us do better planning and helped with our overall data management and our overall cybersecurity posture. So it really unlocked a lot of areas that we hadn't been able to get to be quite honest, because it took all of our efforts to just maintain what we had. So ranging from new networking to cybersecurity, to customer relationship management, to transportation systems, to mobility, to even things like rolling out new Office 365. Again, we just hadn't had time to really look into any of those things. So it just alleviated, provided so much relief for us that we're now able to begin doing things that people wanted us to do, not just those things that we just had to do because we had no other way to get through the day to keep the lights on.
And Tom, you were able to successfully go back to SAP while at CF Industries after you moved to third-party support and continued to do business with them, including purchasing new licenses and new products as well.
Absolutely. So we were an ECC customer. We then became, after we moved to third-party support, we became an S/4HANA customer, S/4HANA Cloud customer. We also invested in the Concur platform to help with travel and expense management. And we utilized the Fieldglass platform for third-party contract labor management. And we invested in their SAP Analytics Cloud solution as well, because we had a really big program around analytics. So we became, our footprint, if you will, with SAP grew dramatically as a direct result of our move to third-party support. And that's where that conversation needed to start with SAP, was to provide them with that big picture view of what we were planning to do and have that be the focus rather than focusing only on back maintenance or current maintenance for ECC and all the problems that creates for them, I guess. Try to make it a problem for me, but really our picture was much bigger than that and much broader. And ultimately, the request I had of them was treat us like a new customer, show us what all the great products are so we can put that onto our roadmap and help drive new capabilities in the business.